What's up, guys? It's been a while. I've been going hard trying to get the shop up and running. Still a mess, but we're getting there. Pretty much almost done with the renovations here in the office. Also a mess in here, but we got our TV and we have all of our Monster. Actually, I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna go. So, quick little update. We're almost done in here. A little bit of trim, sealing, some paint. Done deal, good to go. Obviously we need a door other than this ghetto curtain. Then we got to paint the floor in here, but that's going to be after the winter because painting the floor in the cold probably not going to work out too well when it gets warm. So, little project I'm working on while I'm waiting for some stuff. I've got these LED strips, which, let's see if I can pop this off. All it is little strips with a diffuser channel over it. And my plan is to mount it somewhere on the lift arm. Maybe, maybe not, who knows, we'll see. But I want to do something. I'm thinking probably magnetic. I'll put some strip magnets on the back, stick it right to the arm. And I'm thinking about mounting the transformer like in here and having a wire loop that comes down. It comes from up top and it'll come down and it'll just loop around like the hydraulic setup in a tow truck or something like that. May just go battery operated. Have a 12-volt battery that locks in and I can recharge it. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. Mounted to the lift arm just to get a little extra light going on under there. Diffusers work out good so you don't wind up with the shadowing from the individual LEDs. But yeah, figure put one there, one on the inside of each lift arm, and go from there. It's an idea. It may or may not work, but always welcome some input on there. So, already changed out all the lights up there. Those are cheap. They were like 30 bucks on Amazon for each one. So, but they work out great. Those are super bright. Already got an energy audit scheduled because I mean we're going to be working on Teslas. We gotta focus on lowering our energy costs as much as possible. And yeah, so just a quick update. I haven't posted anything in a while. It's a complete disaster in here. I got my detail cart ready to go over there. The next focus is my my filtration system. I was going to work on this today, but I don't have the necessary parts I need to do that. But it's an 8-stage reclamation system. I've got 275-gallon water tanks going in there, and they'll reclaim all the water, filter it, put it into the other tank, and reuse it again. I have an environmental agency already scheduled to come down and pump out the water every couple of months. This is where we are. Got some cool stuff going on down there. Guys on the end, he only works on really old cars. Got the auto body shop there. Got my winter beater cop car. These guys are cool. They build race cars. So, oh look, there's Eddie now. What's happening? Hanging in there. Yeah, how's moving going?
Long.
Yeah, almost done.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so.
Think so? All right. If you need any help, let me know. I'll be here.
We're getting towards the end now, but everybody got sick too.
That's the problem I was facing. I wound up getting sick and everything. How's it going with the paint booth?
He's gonna tear it down as soon as we empty.
Okay.
This way the shop is empty.
Oh, and it can just...
Drop it, clean it, bring it down, and that'll be the last thing out.
Okay.
So, yeah, everybody got sick. Steve was sick. He got Jay sick. Jay got me sick. Then I had an abscess tooth.
Horrible.
I had to go yesterday to have it yanked out right away.
Horrible.
So I'm on medication, and I'm trying to keep going.
All right. Well, I'm just making a little walkthrough video of the shop right now. So, all right. That's Steve or Eddie. Sorry.
Eddie.
Yep. You said Steve, so now Steve is stuck in my head. So.
These guys are helping.
Those are the kids helping the move. This guy builds some really cool stuff.
They're down there.
They're down there? All right. So, yeah, no, he builds some cool stuff. It's a sheet metal fabricator. Interior guys, it looks like they're doing the interior in this now. Builds all kinds of really nifty stuff. This guy's an custom iron fabricator. He also makes some really cool stuff. We've got custom cabinets. They make some really nice cabinets. And yeah, JAF custom cabinets. And here's some of the projects going on. It's a really nice cutlass. And then you've got his 69 Roadrunner. I think it's an animal. That's what makes all those tire marks. You got this second gen Camaro. The thing's pretty beastly looking. And yeah, he's moving into this shop right here, get some exposure on the road. And yeah, so everything's moving forward right here. 1368 Lincoln Ave in Holbrook, right by MacArthur Airport, so I can't fly any of my drones because literally the airport's right on the other side of this building. So it's happening. Yeah, we got some cool stuff going on down here. We were planning on being open by January 1st, but everybody got sick, like Eddie was saying. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Already got some clients coming down, and yeah, these guys. I got lucky. I got a bunch of really cool neighbors here. So you got the auto body shop down there, so painting and everything can be done there. You got the mechanic shop right next door. They do everything. You've got Gaslight up on the end. He doesn't really touch anything newer than like 1955. And yeah, we'll do a walkthrough here. Got our metal. These things are cool. From Displate, these things are really cool. You just put some magnets on the wall, and there you go. So you got all these. I like the Tesla patents. These things are really cool. So got all that. Of course, we have a coffee maker, and this actually produces a lot of heat, surprisingly. I got lucky. It was cheap on Amazon. Had it shipped over, and it worked out great. So yeah, just an update. Nothing special. Shop's a mess, but it is what it is. Still working by myself. If you don't have one of these, get one. 10 minutes at the end of the day. Pop an Advil, good to go. So, yeah, figured just a quick update. I didn't want to leave everybody hanging. I haven't done anything in months with the channel, so yeah, this is where we are. This is the new home of Evolution Automotive, and we've already got some crazy projects planned. And yeah, we'll see. This is 2019 is going to be the year for the electric car, I think, and we're going to make some really cool ones. So yeah, this is now my home. Almost done. More than welcome to stop by whenever. Door's always open. So you guys have yourself a wonderful new year, and I look forward to seeing you guys down here. So you have yourself a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. It's cold.